In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a drop-down list in Zoho Sheet. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to position yourself in a cell where you would like to create a drop-down list, and then you want to go to the Insert tab up top, and then at the bottom it's going to say Pick List. Hover over this and click on Create Pick List, and it's going to open up this menu on the right-hand side. Now in here you can then go ahead and first select if you want your pick list or a drop-down list to be single select or multi-select, so that's up to you. And then here you can select the type. It could be list or cell range. We're going to do list. And then here you have the option to basically put in your different options. So for item 1, for example, I'm going to do red. We're just going to do colors. I'm going to do orange. For number 2, I'm going to do green, number 3, and then blue, number 4, okay? Of course, you can keep on adding new ones if you want to, or remove them. You could also go ahead and add in different emojis here, etc. So anything is possible. You could also set different color options, so you have the option to do single color or multicolor, so in case you want to kind of add some life to it, you could do that as well. And then here you could also see you have different options. You could display a drop-down icon in a cell or not, so that's up to you. I'm going to check this because I do want it to show. And then when you're done with this, simply click on Create, and as you can see, a drop-down list is now created. If I click on this arrow, it's going to give me all the different options I just put in. So I do green over here, there we go, it's been selected. And then you can also, of course, as with any drop-down list in any spreadsheet, you could go ahead and just drag this and copy it into multiple different cells, and then you can just go ahead and keep selecting. And if at any point you would like to change anything, click on the edit button. It's gonna pop up the right hand side window, and you can change anything you want regarding your drop down pick list. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.